Hi, my name is Katie, and what I'd like to talk to you about today is sort of a driver's guide to traffic stops. There are some basic things that you need to make sure you're doing. One of the first things is safety first. This is going to include your safety and the officer's safety. So when I say your safety, I mean find a safe place to pull over on the side of the road. And that may not always be exactly where you are. For example, if there's no shoulder. So if that's the case, put on your hazard lights to indicate to the officer that you do intend to pull over, but that you need to wait until a safe time to do so. When we discuss officer safety, it's important to understand that even though we don't always like to be pulled over, these officers have a dangerous job. So what you can do to make their peace of mind go up a little bit is to not make any sudden movements. Wait to dig for that driver's license and insurance until they're actually up at your vehicle. And I recommend keeping your hands on the wheel where they can see them. They know you're not reaching for anything. Make sure you focus is the second point. These situations can be very stressful, but eliminate distractions and try to keep yourself focused and calm. Some distractions might be the radio, other passengers, any food or drink, or cell phones. The next tip, number 3, is be nice. You are not happy about being pulled over, but this is the officer's job, and most of us don't appreciate if people come into our work and are hostile with us. So be courteous. You don't have to necessarily agree to be courteous and respectful towards the officer. The next tip, number 4, is do not discuss the citation. If the officer says, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" say, "No, I don't, officer," but do be polite about that. Don't say, "I'm sorry, I was speeding, I was in a hurry," or make any excuses, because these excuses may actually go to prove your guilt. And if there are any reports or anything, it might be hard for your attorney to refute any guilt if you've already claimed that. If you have any further questions about this, I suggest that you contact us at the Liger Law Firm today.